Hi, it's shortly after 10 o'clock on Monday night, and I'm doing this as a way to get some information out that I just received that I was shown by my wife, and I chose to do it this route other than shoot a video like I typically do and upload it, just simply due to the fact that I just finished uploading a video on is organ free, and when I found out this morning that a judge in uh, Baker County here in Oregon overruled Kate Brown's stay-at-home orders, basically all her executive orders. And this evening, bad news, and that is that a Supreme Court judge here in the state appears to have put a stay on Judge Shurtleff's orders. So as of now, Oregon is still not free. As of now, we still don't get to go to church. We don't get to go shopping. I still don't get to drive down and see my parents. My daughter still doesn't get to have a graduation. It's a sad day for Oregon in my perspective, that a Supreme Court judge can't see the merits of the case, that Governor Brown has outstepped the Oregon Constitution, has put these orders in place for greater than 28 days, and he himself doesn't want to abide by the rule of the state, which leads me to say that we should be rebelling against the government. So what does that rebellion mean? Well, number one, I'm protesting. I'm making this video right now, requesting that Kate Brown step down from her position as governor of the state of Oregon, as she obviously doesn't want to abide by the Oregon state's constitution. I can rebel by hoping we could get a removal petition to remove her from office. Maybe we could get something started in that lines. Although in the past we've been unsuccessful at getting her removed from office because of the very heavy leftist wing of this state, who seems to think she's almost like God in this state, and they keep voting for her and for these other Democrats, much as the case in Washington, where you have Emperor Ensley more or less declaring martial law up there. So what's Kate Brown's next step? Follow suit with her communist companions, her compatriots, her comrades, if you would. So yeah, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed that the judges in the state won't stand up for the rule of law, and that is to stand up for the Constitution of not only the United States, but the Constitution of the state of Oregon. So there you have it. At this point, Judge Shurtleff's orders have been overturned, and there is a stay on his ruling. So what does this mean from now? For now, we got to wait for a hearing to take place at the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, we got to live under the tyranny, which is Kate Brown's executive orders. And we get to go about our days living in confinement to our homes, doing her stupid phase plan to get Oregon going again, where it limits 25 people going to church, 25 people to assemble in sporting events, if you would, and having to wear stupid face masks that actually won't stop the virus from getting to you, because most of them aren't N95 masks to begin with. So that's what I have for you. I don't know how many of you will actually catch this. Probably not tonight, since nobody's come on. But I hope you would at least take a look at this video. And I thank you for, if you're catching this after it gets posted. And I am just greatly appreciated that you guys actually would take time to watch one of my videos, including the Wes Colvin Dodge, Colvina Dodge. my Martini is still in its position. I've had another project that I've been working on currently, and I guess I could show you that real quick. I'm working on some power supplies for my remote control helicopters, and so now that I'm getting these wrapped up, I'll be getting back to the Martini here in a real quick hurry and get it all reassembled, and then the process goes to making rounds for it so I can take it out and actually have some fun, if I'm able to get out without being arrested in this stupid state. And yes, I am still looking for a butt screw. I haven't gone out to got brass yet to try and turn one myself, so yeah, I am looking for a butt screw for it. I still have the one from IMA sitting on my bench, but I haven't replaced it yet, so hoping to get to that soon. Hopefully, I got one more of these power supplies that I could get wired up, and then I'll be back on the Martini. And see if I can show you this real quick. Here's where the power supplies are going to go. I'm actually yanking some HP power supplies that I have below for these ones, which are higher wattage. These are 900 each, and the ones that I've got in there are right around 1,000, and only 2 of these to give me what the power of 4 of the other ones are doing. So, and they're lighter. So eventually, once I get this project done, I'll be back on the Martini and hopefully getting that put together here in the next couple days would be excellent. Basically, it's all clean. I just got to put it all together with the parts that I ordered to replace the ones that were stripped and ruined. So anyway, that's what I got. Kate Brown sucks. The woman, I guess sucks is kind of a bad word to call her. Let's just say I strongly dislike the woman in all manners, shapes, and forms. And I'm disappointed that we don't get freedom here in the state of Oregon yet. So who knows when the court hearing is going to take place at the Supreme Court. Hopefully it'll be the judge in Baker County's ruling will actually stay in place. But who's to say? Anyway, I'm going to go. I've got to go get some kids, make sure my kids are getting off to bed, the older ones that aren't in elementary school. So anyway, thanks for tuning in and asking for the Martini. I greatly appreciate it. And we'll talk to you guys next time.